Hi, I'm Annie. I'm so glad you found this book. My gosh, this is a labor of love. I've been kind of weirdly fascinated with the aging process starting, 20 or so years ago in my 30s, and thinking about what would I need to know and what would my kids, my family need to know as I aged. And it's morphed into my whole life purpose because I help families in these situations downsize their house, sell the house, and I pull in all the resources to make it a lot easier when you're going through some of these really stressful situations. So this book covers the gamut, whether you're just wanting to know what legal documents from a practical standpoint you should have in order, if you are thinking about an aging parent, or you're the person that's aging and you're wondering, what are things I could do to keep my house kind of safer as I age? Or what are the options if I need to get, extra help, maybe some in-home care. There are so many options. And then, unfortunately, if someone passes away and leaves a house, wow, that is a whole nother gamut of things going on. And I cover all of that, between siblings and issues with siblings and making decisions about the house, to fixing it up, to who can help empty it, everything. I'm telling you, it's the most practical guide that is being received super well. I can't believe it, but this is my life. I love helping people in this space, so I'd love to give you this book for free, just the shipping and handling. Anyway, I'm really glad you stopped by. Have a good one.